Hello everyone and welcome again to one of my videos here for Gen 127. This is your instructor, of course, Guy Hinkle. And one of the things I wanted to do in this video, and this is going to be a short video, is we're kind of at the halfway point of the class. And there's two big things I wanted to talk about to hopefully make sure you guys are on track and understanding the requirements and what you're expected to be doing, and also talk about where we're at as far as your performance in the class. So the first thing I want to talk about is participation. Again, just to clarify the requirement for participation, when you are participating, make sure that you do so within the learning activities for the week that we are currently studying. So for instance, if we are in week 3, the learning activities that you should be working on are those activities that are listed here. Please, again, do not mark any participation or do any participation within the class activities or class messages or private messages. Anything posted here will not count for your participation. So again, just to clarify, all participation should be completed within the learning activities and the assignments for the week that we're in. The requirement, of course, is that you complete 8 participation posts, substantive posts, on a minimum of 3 days of the week. Substantive posts are just that. They are substantive in both content and in length. Make sure that the content is on subject, talking about what it is that we're studying for that week. But also, most importantly, is the length. Make sure that there's good length, a minimum of 50 words within your participation post. 50 words will enable you to explain or expand on your thoughts, ask questions, and truly participate within the class. Please don't keep your participation at more than "I agree," or "I like what you said," or "this information is great." Tell me why. Always go into deeper explanation, more detail as to why you feel that information is important, you agreed with it, anything like that. Go into good detail and you should receive full credit for your participation. Another good way of tracking your participation, of course, is clicking on My Activity, and it'll be able to show all of your participation posts that way. Okay, so I just wanted to, again, at this stage of the course, to again reiterate the participation requirements. You guys are doing great. If you ever have questions specific to your progress or how you're doing in the class on anything, please always send me a quick question within private messages, and I'll let you know. The other thing that I wanted to talk about in this course is your progress at this stage. What you should be doing every week is reviewing all feedback that I send to you. If for some reason you have an assignment that comes back as incomplete or a 0, or the points are not where you had hoped it to be, ask questions. You should always be reviewing your grade every week. You should review how many points you have earned. If it's a 0, ask why. Anything like that. Please take a moment to review your status in the class so that you are right on track as to where you need to be. Always ask questions about your grades so that you're not missing out on anything. Too often I have students who will participate in class and submit stuff, and they think they submitted the right assignment. I give it a 0 because it's the wrong assignment or it was posted in the wrong place. And they never ask why. And then a couple of weeks later, they finally see the 0, and then they ask at that point what happened. And in some cases, it's too late to make any corrections. So that's why I wanted to emphasize the importance of every week reviewing your grade, reviewing your status in the class as far as your participation, so that you have a chance to go back in, review it. If there's anything wrong or anything that needs to be corrected, you can always ask questions at that time. So definitely, please do not hesitate to ask me questions to clarify your grade at any stage of the course. I'm bringing it up now because we're at the halfway point, but definitely at any time you can ask questions as to where you're at. So again, you guys are doing a great job in this class. I wanted to keep this video fairly short and to the point as far as your participation requirements and, of course, checking your grade and progress. You guys are doing great, as I said. I hope to be in contact with you soon. As always, let me know if you have any questions, and we will be in touch.